In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the price range tool on Tradingview. This tool is perfect when you want to quantify a move on your chart. It tells you three key things between any 2 points: the absolute price difference, the percentage change, and how many bars passed in between, along with the time that represents. Whether you are checking a quick intraday rally or mapping a multi-week trend, this will give you clear, objective numbers. First, look to the left-hand toolbar and find the measurement icon. Click that. Then choose Price Range from the mini menu. That selects the tool and gets your cursor ready to measure. Now decide where you want to start your measurement. Click once on the chart to anchor the beginning. Traders often use a swing low, a candle close, or any meaningful reference point in their analysis. Wherever you click becomes your baseline. So pick a spot that reflects the move you actually care about. Next, move your cursor to the end of the move you want to evaluate. This could be a swing high, another candle close, or any other point that completes your idea of the move. Click again to anchor the end. Take your time placing these anchors precisely. Accuracy here ensures the numbers you get are reliable. If your placement isn't perfect, just try again until it matches your intention. Once you've placed both points, a shaded box will appear on your chart. This box contains the information you need. You'll see the price change, which might be displayed as points, pips, or a dollar amount depending on the market you are analyzing. You'll also see the percentage change from your starting point to your ending point, which is helpful for comparing moves across different assets and time frames. Finally, you'll see the bar count and the time elapsed, meaning how many candles occurred between your two anchors and the total duration that represents based on your current time frame. Interpret these numbers in the context of your strategy. If you measure wick to wick, you'll capture the full extremes of the move. If you measure close to close, you'll get a more conservative read. The bars and time data help you gauge the speed of the move, and the percentage figure makes it easy to compare one move to another, regardless of price scale. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.